everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm glad that you are here and watching this video. Please do remember to like, subscribe, and do share this channel with someone else. I'm sure they will appreciate it. Thank you. For today, we're going to be making simple caramel pretzels. First, I start by making my caramel sauce. I'll leave the ingredients in the caption below. Then I'll measure out some plain pretzels, salted mini pretzels in a bowl, and I make my caramel. This is me making the caramel. This is vanilla. By the time the brown sugar gets to the candy point of the thermometer, I add my vanilla and some baking soda. Mix it together and pour it over my pretzels. Mix thoroughly. Let every pretzel be coated in your caramel mix, the caramel sauce mix. Once that is done, next we are going to transfer this into our stainless steel tray or aluminum tray, which we're going to put right into the oven. So we're trying to harden the caramel that has coated the pretzel to give it a hard and crunchy texture. Of course, there may be some pretzels that don't want to enter the tray. So get your scoop and scoop them out. Put them in the tray before you pop them right in the oven. I would put my temperature to be about 160 degrees centigrade, just so that it doesn't burn the caramel, but does what it's supposed to do, which is harden it. I leave this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, occasionally stirring to ensure that every part of the pretzel, of the caramel pretzel, is properly heated up. Stir it carefully. Careful not to burn yourself. This caramel is really very hot, so you have to use something or use a long spatula and get all the caramel thoroughly mixed. Afterwards, I put it right back in the oven and do this a couple of times, and once about 10 minutes, about 10-15 minutes, it's ready. You bring it out, allow it to cool. It becomes a nice crunchy piece of snack. You would definitely enjoy it. Here is the after product, the finished product. It's really delicious, really nice. I will store them in an airtight container and just enjoy. Be careful, you could get addicted, but it's a worthy snack. I hope you can get to try out this recipe, and when you do, please come back and leave a comment and share this with somebody. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.